Okay, hi, we have our student, she got placed recently and she'll share some experience.
Hello everyone, I am VARSHITHA M R. So I have completed my Python full stack development course in PySpiders Rajajinagar. So I have started with SQL, Python and web technologies, and now Django was ongoing. So SQL was handled by Murli sir, Python was handled by Keshav sir, and web technologies by Uma Shankar sir. So here I had a great experience. Like the teaching trainers were very good. They helped me a lot in gaining the knowledge and all the skills. Especially Keshav sir's Python teaching was very good. Like Python was made very easier for us to understand each and every concepts. He explained it very well and helped in getting placed also, and each and every programs he used to teach us line by line, so it made me easy to understand. And even web technologies and SQL also, the trainers were very good. So this was my overall experience, and even the bootcamp sessions and the presentations were very helpful for me. Like it helped me in upskilling myself in communication also, and even in my technical field also. So thank you for Keshav sir and all my trainers, and also to PySpiders Rajajinagar for helping me get placed here. Thank you.
Okay, all the best to you.
Thank you, sir.